Today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the VMware Workstation new version 17.0. In this setup, how to download, I will put on my channel description box. Try to download from the website. So what I'm going to do is, in this setup, I'm going to right click and run as administrator and select yes. Now the VMware Workstation started installation, and select next button and accept the terms and condition. Click next, and in this module I'm going to select enhanced keyboard driver, and to install this file goes to the C drive, and VMware Workstation folder will be automatically created inside the C drive. So now if you want to change, you can. For in this purpose, I'm not going to change. By default, click next and uncheck the product updates. Open the workstation on Windows startup, and the join the VMware customer experience I'm going to uncheck and click next, and select desktop icon and start menu program folder and click next, and the final click install. Please wait until the installation complete. It will take some time, and after the installation I'm going to select license, and I'm going to paste the license key and hit enter and click finish. So I'm going to restart, and after the restart I'm going to open start menu. Let's see how it is, the new VMware Workstation. So type here VMware and open. This is the new VMware Workstation, and I have already installed the previous VMware Workstation, the OS, which is Windows Server 2022. It's automatically transfer all the files to the new VMware Workstation. Okay, thank you guys.